Welcome to Vegetables Part 1. In this lesson, we will learn Vegetables Part 1. Potato. Carrot. The plural of potato has an E before the S. Potato, potatoes. Green beans. Peas. Broccoli. Mushroom. Sweet corn. Garlic. Let's practice. What vegetable is it? It's a potato. It's a carrot. It's a mushroom. What vegetable is it? For these, we don't use a or an. What vegetable is it? It's broccoli. It's sweet corn. It's garlic. What vegetable is it? For plural, we use their. What vegetable is it? They're green beans. They're peas. This is a potato. This is broccoli. These are green beans. In this lesson, we learnt Vegetables Part 1. Potato, sweet corn, carrot, green beans, peas, mushroom. Welcome to Vegetables Part 2. In this lesson, we will learn some more vegetables. Cucumber, lettuce, tomato. Like potato, the plural of tomato has an E before the S. Tomato, tomatoes. Celery, pepper, or capsicum. Herbs. Eggplant, chickpeas. Cauliflower, cabbage. Let's practice. What vegetable is it? It's a lettuce. It's a cucumber. It's a tomato. It's a cabbage. What vegetable is it? A cauliflower, a pepper, or we say a capsicum, an eggplant. Remember that words beginning with A, E, I, O, U sounds have an, not a. It's an eggplant. What vegetable is it? For celery, we don't use a or an. What vegetable is it? It's celery. For plural, we use their. What vegetable is it? They're chickpeas. They're herbs. They're tomatoes. In this lesson, we learned Vegetables Part 2. Cucumber, lettuce, tomato, celery, pepper, capsicum, herbs, eggplant, chickpeas, cauliflower, cabbage. Welcome to Fruits Part 1. In this lesson, we will learn fruits. Orange, lemon, grapefruit, apple, pear, banana, pineapple, apricot, nectarine, peach. Let's practice. What fruit is it? It's a lemon. It's an orange. It's a grapefruit. Remember, if it begins with A, E, I, O, U sound, we use an, not a. It's an orange. What fruit is it? It's an apple. It's a pear. It's a banana. This is a pineapple. This is a nectarine. This is an apricot. This is a peach. In this lesson, we learnt fruits. Orange, lemon, grapefruit, apple, pear, banana, pineapple, apricot, nectarine, peach. Welcome to Fruits Part 2. In this lesson, we will learn more fruits. Melon, watermelon, grapes, blackberry, raspberry, blueberry, strawberry. The plural of berry is berries. Blackberries, raspberries, blueberries, strawberries. Fig, cherry. The plural of cherry is cherries. Cherry, cherries. Let's practice. What fruit is it? It's a melon. It's a watermelon. It's a fig. What fruit is it? Cherry, blackberry, raspberry, strawberry, grapes. What is this? It's a blueberry. What are these? They're blueberries. In this lesson, we learnt fruits. Melon, watermelon, grapes, cherry, fig, blackberry, raspberry, blueberry, strawberry. Welcome to Food, Part 1. In this lesson, we will learn food. Soup, rice, bread, pizza, eggs, cheese, butter. Repeat after me. Soup, rice, bread, pizza, eggs, cheese, butter. What's this? It's bread. It's butter. It's cheese. It's pizza. What's this? It's soup. It's rice. What are these? Eggs. Eggs are plural. What are these? Eggs. In this lesson, we learnt Food Part 1. Soup, rice, bread, pizza, eggs, cheese, butter. Welcome to Food Part 2. In this lesson, we will learn more food. Chicken, fish, beef, salad, salt, pepper, juice. Repeat after me. Chicken, fish, beef, salad, juice, salt, pepper. What's this? It's chicken. It's fish. It's beef. What's this? It's salad. It's juice. It's salt and pepper. In this lesson, we learned Food Part 2. Chicken, fish, beef, salad, juice, salt, pepper.